A passenger plane, ATR-72, carrying 72 people on board, crashed in Nepal's Pokhra on Sunday. The flight was en route from Kathmandu to Pokhra. The plane took off from Tribhuvan International Airport. The aircraft crashed into forested land located on the banks of the Seti Gandaki river that flows between the old domestic airport and Pokhra International Airport. The plane caught fire as it crashed and rescue workers were trying to put it off. The passenger manifest shows 11 of the passengers on board were international visitors and 3 of them were infants. Taking to Twitter, the office of the Prime Minister of Nepal tweeted, "I am deeply saddened by the tragic accident of Yeti Airlines NC ATR-72, which was flying from Kathmandu to Pokhara with passengers. I sincerely appeal to the security personnel, all agencies of the Nepal government, and the general public to start an effective rescue."